So friends, we are going to prepare the beads today in the laboratory. So the bead is prepared by simple encapsulation of the sodium aliginate, okay, with some nanomaterial, biomass, LDH, okay. Now the sodium aliginate that we have in front of us is, when dissolved in water, it forms a viscous solution which possesses gel-like properties, okay, and this is of weak, it's a weak gel strength, and this gel is soft and is soluble in alkaline solutions, okay. So when we'll add calcium ions, okay, usually these beads are formed when they react with the divalent cations like calcium, barium, strontium. So when it is added to the solution, so these double charge, okay, cations displaces the part of H plus and Na plus to form the aliginate with the respective metal. Suppose we have the calcium, so it will form calcium aliginate gel, okay. For example, when the biochar is impregnated with calcium alginate or barium alginate, so it forms the biochar impregnated with calcium alginate or barium alginate, okay. And here this aliginate is also known as a natural hydrophilic biopolymer, okay. So it does very well in the aquatic or aquatic environments, and has high biocompatibility, it's biodegradable, and it has very high holding capacity for the water. And these properties basically make it preferable, or you can say favorable, for hydrogel bead formation, okay. And this is a natural water soluble salt of aliginic acid that is basically obtained from brown algae, okay, via treatment with sodium hydroxide, okay. However, like other aliginate, it is typically unstable, so the biopolymer here is often cross-linked with other substances like biochar or the waste materials. Slowly we will see how to prepare the beads with the use of sodium aliginate. Friends, for making the beads, okay, we have the first of all the procedure as I explained you earlier. What is the way to make. So first of all, this is my sodium aliginate. So I have taken around 1 gram and then added to around 100 ml of the water, distilled water, and this is my biochar. So I am now ultrasonicating it so that it well dispersed, okay. I am making the solutions that is going to prepare my beads. So this is CaCl₂, so I will make 5% of CaCl₂. So I will add 5 gram in 1 liter of the distilled water. So we added around 5 gram, and now we will make the suspension ready. So as the suspension is getting ready, this is 5% CaCl₂, and also this is about to mix, and this one has already mixed. So usually for the biochar to get well dispersed in the water, it takes 5 to 10 minutes. Now we would add this dispersion to the sodium aliginate solution so that it gets well mixed. Now guys, as the solution has well mixed, what we will do, we will transfer a portion of it here, okay. Then this is my freshly prepared 5% CaCl₂ solution, okay. So then I will add drop by drop, because as per the literature we have to add drop by drop without stirring. And then we will wait, and this ratio of the biochar to the sodium aliginate, you can vary and check the beads formation. In this way we can have an idea about the formation of bead and the different ratio of the biochar to sodium aliginate. So you can see the formation of bead has started. Friends, there is a minor rectification in the formation of the beads, okay. You can say that it was a slight mistake. So what we have to do, we don't have to add the I mean this suspension, I mean the calcium chloride or barium chloride, whatever suspension you have made, into the, I mean, assortment. This is the biochar with sodium lignin, aliginate. What you have to do, you have to take this and add to the calcium chloride. Since this is insoluble, so you can see here the beads are about to form. Okay, you can see they became insoluble. Okay, clearly, and also some of them are floating. Okay, we can take them one by one. You can also use a pump to add these, okay, or burette. I have used a dropper, and simultaneously we can make different kind of beads. This is the biochar encapsulated on the sodium alginate. You can try these magnetic or some on polymer or LDH. Okay, now the next task is to remove these beads and then add to the, I mean, you have to segregate these beads and then dry these. Since you can see there are a lot of beads, and then simultaneously you can touch with your bare hands, and these are also the beads formed. You can see they look very good. You can use in your, I mean, shower filters or bathroom filters. Okay, if I add them here, you can see they look very nice. Okay, so this is okay our beads formation.